specifically Diana Ciana. And what we introduce to them, I do to them. This is One Daddy. Oka Dalton. Dalton, you want to say hi to these people? You want to say something, Dalton? No, we are about that time. Some bandits are coming. Just for purposes of clarification. Uncle, Vava, Elijah, I have a surprise for you. I have a special link. This one is blued in tennis. At the tennis. No, at the Tennessee tennis. Can't more the pop because you got no horosio. Oh, that was too much. I am a mukueta nori to Mahoda Hodiorito. No, they are on their way to summer bunnies. This is my wife. I know the Gamumania, Motono Akiolia. Why? I did not Mali from allowed here. She's Portuguese. Nakiola Yayo, so you'll understand that. I hope I have my cap point tomorrow. Kiola, no, translate. They're going to walk in and a mother of Mida Hamu. Invite a delegation. Kiola, I think you're better place to go with Kaki with Kalimani. Shanaskaga. How y'all doing? Yes, you're going to go. Gay. My name's Dalton. This one area you're going to everybody to hang. My name's Dalton. What's your way? Yeah, we are. What's your Dalton? What's your way? King either. Can never. Jonathan, what's your other? I am so happy to be here. I'm so looking forward to seeing the wild beast migration. Oh, okay. My daddy has told me so much about Africa. You got the African and Africa. Who can do your answer again? To that, I already have my body, my mangi. Go to Kula Human and Iberia. I'm so happy to see you people. We're welcoming faces. And I want to say on behalf of my small brother who wasn't able to travel with us, we so have. Yes, you're always good. I've got behalf. I've got behalf. Can I behave? Bikini. Gay. Gay. And this is my dog Snow. Snow, it's a very special part of our family. We are so happy to be here with Snow. Snow always wanted to come to Kenya. Que muera! It has been the dream of our dog Snow to come to Africa. But you are your okay, thanks so much. Wima, kidete, punja, jina hiyo ni hii. Wherever ni huyu. You here? You here? Your name is this. How's that possible? I can't be him. This is your father. It's your father, yeah, yes. You are Uka. Karuka yetu. Hi, everybody. How you doing, everybody? Wapi ndio? Ando makano kama wewe wangira undi. Wewe mongira undi. Wapi kilele? Ya kanega goko. Muri aigo. Tole gamono. Muri aigo. Tole gorenge. Renge. Mwanani agocho. Agocho muno muda maki. Gai no mwega. Hele shode. Naende jode. My name is Shanice Vad är det du kan göra? I go to the senior school. The junior school, sorry. I mean year 6. I take it at the gappy. I'm in year 6. And I'm so happy to be here to see my ancestors. My father, andu. It's my mommy, I've been Ranger. Have you had wonderful parents? So happy to see my ancestor. Man, your ancestor.
Au leo akoronga.
Yeah, we don't get to tea and got me. I'm so excited about how traditional everything is here. I love the simplicity of your phones.
Ahí todo lumena opacito.
Pero no es. Le voy a llegar y me voy a ir caranga le coja anda vaso nini.
Yeah, that's simplicity.
Everything here is just so vintage. Esta va a ser a Mónica.
Gituaring.
Gituaring. Esto DX. Yeah.
DX.
I like that Monica's car is just nice vintage. Na dona va kurihita gitu.
Corona makavazi.
Ahora está ahí lore. Esta va a tener hard descafiro como habilis. Arqueológico site. It is so good. It is so good to retrace our footsteps. Our father, Mishinganga Gitondo, always tells us the importance of knowing our origin. And it's good to see the people we came from. And I just want to request my father that one day when we all make arrangements, you can all come into a plane and come and see how we live in Delaware. Mwana Jody. Ngora Kenya chuwe. Auga tutwaruoko.
Ndera mea.
Oyo katale chuwe mudheri.
Ni atokia chuwe mutuo.
Oyo utana wakeli. Ni wa mwali wa maitopio. No, they are coming.
They don't hear the walk on a vintage.
I like how you're interacting with wild animals. You know, it's a thing we wild deep.
It's domestic.
In the mumbo ya huku. Do you know that wild dog? And I like how your chicken just run around. I like how your chicken run around and roam freely. I think even in America we're going to start a campaign. We're going to call it Free the Chicken.
Agora kukochio kuhangira guku.
Ahora, araciare ne yathi, necia irobe.
Guku neciageire weyara. Necio horirwo.
It's just so impressive to see the cows and goats interact. and they're coexisting with your simple cells. I've learned a lot of games. I've never been up a tree before. We are waiting for you. Bora mkuja Wima Fest. Yes.
Karibu nyumbani.
Start booking.
The bottom line ni ati gwakinya never all twice. That is where we draw the line.
Yes, tumahea hinda torunaone macoka makarugamia andu.
Ni arugamagia andu. Wega.
Yes. Evo no cia man kefefe.